Let's take a look at the first example. We are going to multiply external exponent by every internal exponent. So I'm going to multiply -3 by -2, -3 by 3, and -3 by -4. Okay, this multiplication. This is going to be equal x to -2 times -3. Let me do everything step by step. Y, and I have 3 times -3 over z -4 times -3. This is going to be equal x -2 times -3 gives me +6. Y 3 times -3 is -9 over z -4 times -3 is 12. I got y to the -9. I want to convert this negative exponent to positive. How I can do that? Simply take this variable and bring this to the denominator. That's why I'm going to have x to the 6th over z to 12, y to 9. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. We're going to multiply external exponent by every single internal exponent. Remember, anytime we do not have visible exponent next to the number or variable, we have to make it visible. Remember, this is always 1. Okay, so I'm going to multiply external exponent by every single internal exponent. So that's why I'm going to have b -7 times -2, c 4 times -2 over 2, 1 times -2 is -2, a 1 times -2 is -2 equals. And I have -7 times -2 is 14. b to the 14 power. C. 4 times -2 is -8 over simply 2 to -2, a to -2 equals. Now, anytime I want to convert negative exponent from the denominator to positive, I have to take the number or variable to the numerator. And if I want to convert negative exponent from the numerator to positive, I'm supposed to take that variable to the denominator. That's why I'm going to have 2 to the 2nd power, a to the 2nd power, b to 14 power over c to the 8th. This is equal 2 to the 2nd power is 4. So 4 a square b 14 over c 8. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the third example. I'm going to multiply these two exponents by themselves. That's why I'm going to have x over y, and I have -4 times -8 is +32. This could be one solution, or just keep in mind that we have always invisible 1 next to every variable or number, and simply multiply external exponent by the internal. That's why I'm going to have x to 32 over y to 32. This is the solution to this example.